Little update. This thing was a pain in the ass. The blade engagement switch went out randomly. So the handle switch is now wired in series with the neutral switch as well, because that's the only way I could get it to die. But this isn't hooked up. I'm assuming this is the ground that I hooked up to. I don't know. I played it around with different combination of wires, and I didn't really care to keep track of it. But yeah, I jumped that out, and now I just have this thing. That's it. Hopefully I can mow my lawn tomorrow. See what happens.